Hey, Driven to Compete. I'm here with a little collaboration project. Check this out. This is happening. He's shooting his intro, and I'm trying to.
No, he's not, because someone else is shooting their intro.
I'm showing you what we got here. There you go.
How's it going, guys? Why are you still filming me?
Come on.
What do you want?
You're not gonna say anything else, like how honored you are to be in the presence of Rabbit and Driven to Compete.
Take two. I am extremely honored on this 4th of July to be in the presence of such greatness with my R32, which is humbly present within the ranks of
all this
things.
Oh yeah, there. Hey, wave, Rabbit, come on, smile for the camera.
But it's okay.
Oh jeez.
There's only 3 of us here, so the Mustang is still dormant. Not enough to
it's clean now. Listen, it's clean, as always.
I'm going to rub my butt on it before I...
Oh my god. So, what are we doing today? We're doing neons.
Lots of neon. For Rumble in the Night on Saturday, benefiting the Wounded Warrior Project. Yeah, we're going to do stupid stuff to my car and put a lot of neon on it, because they have a glow competition, so we'll see how it works out.
And if I'm able to make it, exhaust competition, perhaps.
So yeah. Fast and Furious, Fast and Bi-Curious.
Hey guys, check out the merchandise this guy's wearing. We just got the shirts in.
These shirts are really comfortable.
They are.
I'm not mad about it.
Spin around the back once. Look at this.
He just wants to film my ass. Don't listen to him.
There you go. Oh yeah, do that again for the camera.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Anyway, be sure to check out PAStreetScene's channel on YouTube, on Instagram. Check him out. This guy's a blast. Love him to death. We're going to work on this car, and he's going to put a video up later. Thanks for watching.
Competition at the car show Saturday night?
Except for Creatures of the Night? Or?
No, that's later in the year. This is called Rumble in the Night.
Oh, yeah. I remember that.
I'm torn about Creatures, because I love Creatures. It was my favorite show last night. But it's the same night as Tuner Evolution Philadelphia.
Okay.
So I'm like, it might be more worthwhile for me to build my branding and my channels and stuff, because a lot of those guys, a lot of the big YouTuber guys, why does it not look like that in person? See, if it looked like that in person, I would like it more.
What do you mean? You don't like it?
Well, it doesn't show up.
Yeah, it does.
Only on
It really pops, doesn't
What
it?
do you mean it doesn't show up?
No, the reflective spray, not the light.
That's why I love Android.
Not reflective spray.